Good morning, Vietnam. I'm David Osborne, your host in English on behalf of Lean Heap Hoi. Today, March 20th, 2024, let's listen to the article, The Communist Party of Vietnam, CPV, and the Potential for Division, by John Duong. The Communist Party of Vietnam, CPV, has played a central role in modern Vietnamese history, guiding and leading the country since its founding in 1930. However, in the context of global changes and increasing internal challenges, the possibility of division within the CPV has become a topic of interest to many. This article will analyze potential scenarios leading to division within the CPV, assess its consequences, and discuss the likelihood of these scenarios occurring. 1. Division in ideological awareness. 1.1 Disagreement on the path to development. Scenario 1. One faction supports a market economy model with a socialist orientation, focusing on private economic development and international integration. The other faction wants to maintain a more centralized economic model, emphasizing the role of the state in maintaining the CPV's control over the economy. Consequences. Conflicts over economic direction could lead to policy instability, affect development effectiveness, and cause internal disagreements within the CPV. 1.2 Differences in social views. Scenario 2. Disputes over issues such as individual freedom, the role of religion in society, and LGBTQ+ rights. Consequences. Conflicts over social values could lead to division within the CPV and affect social cohesion. 2. Division of power. 2.1 Competition among interest groups. Scenario 3. Struggles for influence between groups of cadres, businesses, and other forces within the CPV. Consequences. Power conflicts could lead to internal strife, affecting the CPV's reputation and effectiveness. 2.2 Generational conflict. Scenario 4. Clashes between the old leadership generation and a younger generation with different views and ambitions. Consequences. Generational conflicts could lead to stagnation in the reform process and affect the CPV's ability to adapt. 3. Division due to external factors. 3.1 International pressure. Scenario 5. International political changes and external interference could exacerbate division within the CPV. Consequences. International pressure could affect the CPV's policy direction and lead to internal conflicts. 3.2 Economic crisis. Scenario 6. Severe economic difficulties could lead to social unrest and weaken unity within the CPV. Consequences. Economic crises could erode the CPV's credibility and lead to disagreements over solutions. 4. Likelihood of occurrence. Predicting the exact likelihood of these division scenarios is very difficult and depends on several factors. Degree of internal unity within the CPV. A united and cohesive CPV will be better able to withstand challenges and maintain stability. Leadership ability and conflict resolution. Effective leadership and efficient resolution of internal conflicts are key to maintaining unity. Economic and social stability. A stable economic and social environment will help reduce the risk of division. International political environment. International political changes and external interference can affect the internal stability of the CPV. Conclusion. While the scenarios of CPV division are mentioned above, it is important to note that the CPV has demonstrated the ability to adapt and overcome many challenges throughout history. It is necessary to closely monitor the situation and take appropriate measures to exploit and seize opportunities to overthrow the communist regime and move towards a brighter future for the nation and the country. Thank you for your participation today. Wishing you a nice day with happiness and peace. I am David Osborne, signing off. See you next time.